All right, Wiener, looks like it's just you and me. Oh no, it looks like it's just me.
Oh,
I like that. I'm gonna do this all day. Who needs knives? Fine, you win.
How unbreakable are we talking?
I mean, they're on.
Oh!
Will you have a mitt, please? She's cute, huh? Oh! It's gonna be. Oh, gee! Whoa. Oh no. Oh. No. That lighter fluid?
This does not prove anything but a thumb drive.
I'm ready for anything. I wasn't ready. No.
Oh, did I hit something? No, you're good.
Indestructible.
There's glass on it.
Mm-hmm. Bit of a good boy. No. Stop. We're moving. Go. Okay. I got you. Stop. I got it. Don't worry. Quit. Oh. Oh my goodness, it's just there. You got it.
Should be fine, right?
I hate that I have to explain to you the difference between indestructible and flammable.
No. No!
I am so...
You're not starting off! Dude!
Wow! Archers. Mechanics with prison time. Bone throwers with a bone to pick. Someone who slaps it with their severed arm. Tased by a type A personality. Scissored by two curious college kids. Or even a butcher with a brutal backhand.
It's a bull!
It's a what?
I don't think we're supposed to do this inside!
We should hide? Pick up the phone.
You broke a bone?
I would love a scone.
My son! My child!
Well, there's one of them famous explosions I was talking about. Yeah. Oh? Oh, my goodness gracious. I'm done. I physically can't feel my legs. Trust fall. Are you okay?